I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful wedding acrylic sign. Alright guys, so here we go. I'm showing you the square size, which I think this sign was an 18 by 24 size. And I got this clear acrylic from Home Depot, so it worked out perfectly. I'm just getting the exact size so all my letters and wording looks perfect, centered in the middle. Alright, and now I am going to see what is okay to be cut. So like the date is okay to cut on the 12 by 12 mat. The name is okay, and I'm making sure everything is all grouped together. And then the happily ever after, I'm just making sure that I'm picking two groups of the words so they're able to cut on the mat. Just checking the sizes. I want to make sure everything is going to fit on a 12 by 12 mat, because I do not have a bigger I don't have the attachment to make my vinyl long to be able to print. So now for the welcome sign, I'm going to show you a trick. A trick that I found that it was easier, and when I put it together on the acrylic, you didn't even notice that I did this trick. So I was just looking for an area where I can slice it. So I used a square shape, and I made it big enough to cover the whole word. Well, not the whole thing, well, the come part. And I'm going to slice it down the middle. Alright. Sorry guys, I have a little stuffy nose. Okay, so now I highlighted everything, and I am going to select slice. My computer's slow for some reason. I don't know why. And then I just delete what I don't need. And there we go. We have the two pieces. And I'm perfectly fine with it. Once I put it together on the acrylic, which I'm going to show you, you do not notice it. It just came out so beautifully. And I'm excited, you know. So now I'm just gonna make sure I have everything welded. You want to make sure all your words are welded, so when you go to cut it, the words are not like all separate. Like if you see on the side, you see the PPY. So you want to make sure you weld everything. So it just because you group everything doesn't mean that the words are going to be okay. You have to make sure you weld all your words, and that's pretty much what I'm doing. And then I'm going to take you to the next page where I'm going to cut out on the vinyl. Please make sure, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. I want to continue making DIY projects and videos for you. So by you subscribing and liking my page really helps out, and I appreciate you so much. So now once I cut everything up, you are going to see a video of me putting everything together and painting my acrylic sign. Also, we do not weld or group the welcome. I just want to make sure you know this, because it's already set up to where it's gonna cut perfectly. And my welcome, I got it from Etsy, the Etsy shop. I mean, you can make your welcome sign on Adobe Illustrator, but I did not. I just wanted to make this simple for me. And so you can just go to Etsy and put welcome, wedding signs, SDGs, and you'll get a whole bunch. Here I'm just organizing my mat to where I am going to put the vinyl so I don't waste any vinyl for myself, but you can organize your mat any way you like.